Dealing with the Runtime module DLL runtime error interrupting your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've diagnosed the fix for this library conflict. Before we dive into the runtime module troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the runtime module, a generic naming convention used by several high-volume proprietary applications to store their primary script execution or bytecode interpretation logic. It acts as the local virtual machine for the software. Because it is non-standard, its absence usually indicates an incomplete software installation. Without it, the application cannot bootstrap its primary logic loop, resulting in a silent crash or a failed to load execution module error. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. If your software is failing because of Runtime module DLL, the internal file mapping for Localized application execution engine is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program, showing the error, will re-register the library and fix the error. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the runtime module file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A brief word of caution: not all solutions found online adhere to professional security standards. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for Runtime module DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for Runtime module. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Runtime module and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.